Hey guys, I had a question on section 3B, homework problem number 6. So let me pull that one up and I'll show you what that one says. It says your goal is to create a college fund for your child. Suppose you find a fund that offers an APR of 6%. How much should you deposit monthly to accumulate $83,000 in 12 years? Now look at the top. It says use the savings plan formula to answer, this question. I'm going to show you the formula and I'm also going to show you how to type this in Excel. Okay, so if you go to, let's see, if you go to your formula sheet that you have on Canvas for Unit 3, we're going to be using the savings plan formula, this one here. This is the one. Okay. All right, and I believe I've already gotten this problem written out. And this is problem number, this is problem number 6, I believe. Yes, right here. Same problem. And what I've done is I've written down the savings plan formula. I've labeled my variables. So we're talking about 12 years that we're looking to save. We're making monthly payments. So our N is 12, the APR is 0.06, and the amount we want in our account when we're done is $83,000. We're looking to figure out what the payment is. Okay, this one's a little tricky because you're going to have to do a little algebra, but it's not that big of a deal. What you do is you're going to put for the amount you want in your account, that's going to be the 83,000 equals the payment we don't know, so I'll just leave that as payment. And then we'll fill in the rest of the formula with our variables. Now, if you're doing this in your calculator, be very careful with your parentheses. So you've got the 1 plus the APR is 0.06 divided by 12, close parentheses, and the power is 12 times, and the number of years is 12. So that's 144 there. And then subtract 1, and that is closed out the numerator divided by, and this, sorry, I had to use whiteout on this. It's the APR divided by N. So it's 0.06 divided by 12 in the denominator. Now, when you type this in your calculator, when you type in this part right here, be careful with your parentheses. You should get $210.15. So you'll have 83,000 equals the payment times 210.15. We're trying to calculate the payment, so this is a little algebra problem, so we'll divide both sides by 210.15. And when you take the 83,000 and divide it by the 210.15, you're going to get the payment to be 394.96. Okay, and if you go back 394.96 for question number 6, that's where this came from. That's where the answer came from. Okay, now notice that you can also do this on Excel. If you want to calculate this on Microsoft Excel, it's really easy. Instead of using the FV or the future value I don't know what I'm talking about here, little function, I guess is what it's called. You won't type in FV, you'll type in equals and then PMT. What the PMT does is it calculates payment for you. And when you go to Excel, you're going to type in equals PMT. They want the interest rate per period, the number of periods that you're paying, the present value, the future value, and then the type. So what we'll type in Excel is equals payment, parentheses, the interest rate will be the 6% APR, but we'll divide that by 12 to get our monthly interest rate, comma, the number of periods we're paying on this is 12 months times 12 years, so 144. Our present value, we have nothing saved, comma, our future value, we want our future value to be $83,000. So that's what we'll type in. So if I'll show you, if we go to Excel, and I'll clear out what I had in there before. So go to Microsoft Excel, you'll just pick any box you want to. You'll type in equals and then PMT and then open parentheses. Remember the interest rate is 0.06 divided by 12, comma, the number of periods was 12 times 12. The present value, we have nothing saved. The future value, we want to save $83,000. Type, we can leave that blank. Close your parentheses, hit equals, and there's your $394.96. I hope this helps you.